Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 13th, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Dogecoin. You guys can see right here, we did a price prediction right here on June the 4th, expecting the value of this currency to go lower in price. And that's precisely what the market has done. So excellent job to anyone who was able to call that, just like we did. Market dropped all the way down to our ultimate TP price to where we garnered 14.25% out the market. This is how you're able to win in this space, is predicting and forecasting where price is going to go all before the market actually gets there. So if you want to join our team, our community, you're more than welcome to. We will welcome you here if you want to learn more about how we're able to call the market and dominate this space. And you do that by liking the video, sharing the video, and also subscribing here to our particular channel. So now, first things first, let's go ahead and take this away. Like I said earlier, congratulations to you if you expected the same thing that we predicted on our video for Dogecoin back there on June the 4th. So let's go ahead and take that away. So now you can see already that the market in Dogecoin, from our last video, we were expecting the market to trade within our two lines. And you can also see that the market in Dogecoin has broken that ascending line to the downside. Now that's something that we don't want to see if we're looking for the price to go higher. And right now, Dogecoin is breaking that ascending line, and we cannot accept that if you're looking for the market to go high in price. You guys can see the last 2 days in Doge that the market has actually broken that line. So let's see what the chart looks like on a 3-day time frame to see if we really have that ability to continue to go lower in price. And so far, yes, the market in Dogecoin is still giving us a little weakness. Now, I'm not telling you that it's overly weak. You know, we still have the probability of this market in Doge to continue to trade within our two horizontal lines, which means that 25 cents still has the ability to hold support. Okay. Now let's see the market on the 2-day time frame. And you can even see right here on the 2-day time frame that, yeah, the market in Dogecoin is weak, but I'm not really that worried that the market in Dogecoin is going to make a substantial movement to the downside. We can still see Dogecoins go lower, but that's why I've identified that 25 cent area as support. We're going to have to pay attention to that going on into this upcoming trading week. Okay. Now, this is where the market in Dogecoin looks a little bit more worrisome. It's because right here on this current weekly bar right here, you all can see that the market in Dogecoin is closing towards the low of the bar. And that means that we actually have the ability to break the 25 cent support area to the downside from a weekly perspective. Okay, so yeah, the market here is still weak overall in Dogecoin. So on this particular video, we will have to play the weakness into the market. This is the 2 weeks time frame. We got 7 days and 10 hours left. But overall, there's no interest or demand being visualized on these price charts. And we got to take it as what it is. So when the market gives us weakness, we need to play the same type of environment. We cannot go against the grain. Everyone in the market is showing forth that they're not that bullish into the market in Dogecoin. This is a 3 weeks time frame right here. You guys can still see how we have the ability on this current 3-week price bar to see the market in Dogecoin come up there and test 45 cents. And now take a look at where we're at. We're all the way back down to 29 cents. So again, everything on these price charts is literally telling us that the market is not that bullish. So if anyone is telling you that this market in Dogecoin is bullish, they need to relook at these different time frames. This is the monthly time frame. And even right now, for the month of June, even for the month of May, weakness is abounding. So we need to be careful out there into the market in Dogecoin. So what we're going to do on this video is we're going to go ahead and play that. We're going to predict that the market in Dogecoin is still weak. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that prediction in, expecting the market in Dogecoin to go lower in price. Now, the first thing I'm going to do after I make this prediction, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that ascending line, because the trap is definitely showing us that he's not willing to hold that price alongside that ascending line. Okay, so let me go ahead and take that away. So this is it. So I'm still looking for the market to try to come through and hold some support in or around that 25 cent area. But we would definitely come through and TP out the market, some profit right there around 29 cents, maybe even 30. So let me zoom in and see what we all get if we were to TP out around 30 cents. So that gives about almost 3% profitability to see Dogecoin go down to around 29.30 cents. But I'm going to bring it all the way down here to around 26 cents. Okay. Let's bring that down to 26 real quick. So that's it right there. Okay, so you guys can see from my chart that we're still going to play the weakness in the market in Dogecoin, but still trade within our two horizontal lines, which is a good thing for the long-term perspective. But we need to keep in mind what I've shown you on that weekly time frame in the market for Dogecoin is that weekly time frame is still giving us a lot of weakness. So we are increasing that probability of Dogecoin coming down to 25 cents, and we could even break it to the downside. So I'm just giving you all a heads up as to what we are seeing on the price chart. And this is no fear. This is no FUD, no FOMO. This is how you're able to predict prices without being emotional, because we are already expecting the market to go lower in Dogecoin. So now I want to know, what do you all think about this particular market in Dogecoin? Do you still think that the market has the ability to go higher in price? I would say from a weekly perspective, 2-week time frame. Let me know whether you all think that price in Dogecoin is going to go, so that you can get in position and that you can win as well in this space. But the overall cryptocurrency space, I sent this out to our members in our community on yesterday. I sent out a post and let them know that when I looked at the charts, that I'm still seeing from a weekly to a longer term perspective that the market is still exhibiting to us some weakness. And I'm still seeing the same thing in the case for Dogecoin as well. So again, maybe it's not the time to come into the market. Maybe you need to sit back, look at your own particular strategy and see what you need to do in your own particular situation. So what we're going to do, you guys can see it right here. Now I want you all to drop the comment in the comment section and tell me where do you all think the market in Dogecoin is going to go. This is what we're seeing. So now I want you all to call the market right alongside with us and tell us, where do you see the price going? And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.